Hey guys, in this video we're going to check out using algebra and angle properties in triangles to solve problems with triangles. So just a little reminder before we jump into it is the triangle angle sum theorem, and that's just basically that angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. If you look down here, we got a 60, 90, 30 triangle. 60 plus 90 plus 30 equals 180 degrees. And if you look over here, we got a 60, 60, 60 triangle that also adds up to 180 degrees. So just remember this. We're going to use this concept a lot in this section. And in this first example, say you have a triangle where we know that all the angles are congruent. So they all equal each other. So if you wanted to figure out what is the angle measure of this triangle, we have angle R equals angle A equals angle D. So step one is realizing that these are all the same value. So let's call that x. So we know that we have angle R plus angle A plus angle D equals, and remember triangle angle sum theorem is that the triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So let's plop that in there. And so we got 3x's. So let's convert that into 3x equals 180. And then we're going to divide by 3. And that's going to equal x equals 60 degrees. So then we know that each one is 60 degrees. And then let's jump over to this next one here. In this example here, we have that find the measures of the angles using the given information. So we have 33 degrees for angle U. And then we got 2x minus 9 for angle T. And V is x plus 12. So in this, all you're going to do, you know that the angle for triangle UTV, that equals 180 degrees. They all have to equal 180. And then we're just going to substitute all the values in for the angle. So angle U is 33 degrees. And then T is 2x plus minus 9. Let's back it up. Okay, minus 9. And then the last one here, angle V is x plus 12. Okay, then we just need to simplify this and we'd be good to go here. So we got 180 equals 33. And let's put these together. So we got minus 9. And then let's put the 12 over there too, if that makes sense. And then let's put the x's together. So we got plus 2x plus x. And then let's reduce all of these together. So let me bust down a calculator real quick. So we have 33 minus 9 plus 12. Bam. So that is 36. And then we have, so we got rid of that. So we got 2x plus x is 3x. Okay. And then let's simplify this. And we got 180 minus 36. Okay. Last step here, you know what to do. Divide by 3. And so we get x equals 48. Okay? So we know x equals 48. So to solve for t, you would do 2 times 48 minus 9. And that would be 48 minus 9 is equals 39, and then times 2 equals 78. So this is 78 degrees. And then we know that x equals 48, so let's substitute it in here for x. So 48 plus 12. Okay, so this is 60 degrees here. Okay, so then we solve for all the angles. In this last example here, we're going to solve for x, solve for y, and z. So look at this first triangle here. We got 38 degrees, 67, and x. So we know that those, let me write those down, 38 plus 67 plus x equals 180 degrees. We know that these three angles have to equal 180. So then let's add this together. Plus 67. 105 plus x equals 180, and then we know we need to subtract 105. So x equals 180 minus 105. Bam, so 75 degrees. So x is 75 degrees. And then look here, we know that this is a straight angle here, a supplementary angle. So we know this whole angle equals 180 degrees. So let me erase this, or I can move it if it's gonna let me. Alright, so we know all of x plus y equals 180. And we already know what x is, so plug that in. Plus y equals 180 minus 75. So y equals 180 minus 75 equals 105. Bam. So that equals 105 degrees. And then the last one is z. We know that we got 33 degrees, 105 degrees, and z. So we know those will add up to 180. Hopefully you kind of see the pattern now of what you need to do with these problems. So 33 plus 105, that would be 138 plus z equals 180. And then we need to subtract 138. So z would equal, see, 2, 7, 42? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so 42 degrees. Bam. So you're basically using a combination of the triangle angle sum theorem and also straight angles and supplementary angle theorems in order to solve these problems.